This sauce is so hot. One drop can make grown men cry. Are you brave enough to try the hottest hot sauce in the world? 12 Carolina Reaper chilies, fresh or dried, 6 ghost peppers, 6 cloves garlic, 1 small onion, chopped, 1/2 cup white vinegar, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/2 cup water. In a pan, add water, garlic and chopped onion. Cook on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes until soft and aromatic. Now add the Carolina Reaper chilies and ghost peppers. Let them cook for another 5 minutes until slightly softened. Turn off the heat and let the mixture cool slightly. Transfer everything into a blender. Add vinegar, lemon juice, salt, and a little sugar. Blend until super smooth. Now strain the sauce if you want a silky texture, or keep it thick for extra punch. Pour the hottest hot sauce in the world into a clean glass jar and let it rest for 24 hours for maximum flavor. Use this hottest hot sauce in the world in tiny drops, on burgers, fried chicken, or noodles. A little goes a long way. Like, subscribe, and comment if you dare to try this heat.